What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be swapping the exhaust from my stock exhaust over to the straight pipes that Angel has on his E36. He has a 328, I have a 325, and his is basically muffler delete, which on this car is very loud. So I'm going to be doing that, and then we're going to see how it sounds. All right, you have to lay down with me.
I'll spot you.
So he's spotting me. So
Don't get that.
both Joshes are helping me out. So basically, it's 2 bolts for the muffler. They're both, I think it's 14. Is it 14 or is it 13, Angel?
It's a 14.
It doesn't feel like it. Yeah, it is a 13.
There you go. Half inch, right?
I don't know. What? Oh my god. I hope the camera got that. That was disgusting.
Loud.
Alright, so each of these clamps has to come off. It's a 13 and a 12. Pretty simple.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
So today we're going to be switching exhausts. So
Yes.
that's a 13, like he just said.
Good job.
Yep. These pipes are fucking tiny.
I know. Oh, I smacked the camera.
They're so low.
Josh, you should get a Jay's Racing exhaust.
That says 1,000.
It sounds so bad though, don't get it. Ugh.
Yeah, you look good in this. Hey guys, look, I don't know if look.
Damn, that's sick. I did not record it, but this thing just dropped and fell and almost killed me, so hopefully the other side doesn't do the same thing.
Yo, that's wild.
This is so sketch.
I really do like your car this way. I would want one.
Oh my god.
I might have to do it.
Help!
What do you help with?
Help me!
What do you help with? There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
It's off.
We got it off, guys.
Oh.
Dog cam, dog cam. Imagine not recording.
So I finally got the 2 exhausts out, guys.
Alright guys, so I just took out the exhaust off Angel's. I have the one out of mine too. Stop!
I was trying to hold it for you.
I have both of them out, so this is what they look like. Angel's only difference
Damn, that shit is fat as fuck.
his muffler was removed and replaced with straight pipes. So that's what's gonna go in. I'm not gonna show it because it's the same process as taking it out. So in the next clip I'll have it started up.
Yes or no?
Yeah, it's recording. Damn, guys. All right, so we just finished. The tips stick out hella on this car because I don't have the diffuser that Angel has. It looks pretty sick though. All right, I'm gonna start it up.
I'll start it.
Yeah, start it so I can hear it.
I mean, not quit, but stop for the whole week until I swear to God, this kid. I know.
It's quiet. Do a little rev. That's quiet. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not quiet.
Where's it pop?
Oh. Yo!
What are you doing, Josh?
The wheel stopper thingy my bobber. I was like, why is this shit not moving?
Bro, it sounds sick.
I know.
It sounds like you have a cam.
I know.
What is the idles from the V8?
That sounds good. It's like not loud.
It's pretty loud, bud.
Like it's I thought it would be like obnoxious.
Yo, that sounds sick though. Angle
It's
cap.
alright.
That just
Sounds like yours.
sick.
It does?
Yeah. But you have to put it in the 1.
Oh.
Dude,
I dropped it from 2 to 1. And
All right, guys. So now I'm gonna do the inside the cabin. This is with the windows cracked, so we'll see how it is.
not really cracked, but
Or windows open. It sounds good. It sounds good on the low RPMs.
yeah.
Shift it manually.
Drop it down to 1. Oh, too early.
I can make it pop, kinda. Alright, I'll do a pull right now.
1, 2, 3, go!
It's so slow.
Yeah, we went 100 miles per hour right there, guys.
It sounds kinda cool.
How do you feel about your exhaust, brother?
It actually sounds really good. Like, it's super loud up top, but it's not that bad down low. And it sounds really, like, really good. Yo, it pops. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I
Were you recording?
No. Now we got the windows wide open. How do you feel? You feel good?
This is sick.
I think it pops more because it's like more warmed up and shit, like the pipes and shit.
Yeah, maybe. Ready? Yo, it sounds sick. I love the little burbles. You don't have to do that.